Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss in random variables mains January 2020 questions. These are all related probability only. Subtopic is random variables. See the first question, what they are given. In a bombing attack, there is 50% chance that a bomb will hit the target. At least two independent hits are required to destroy the target completely. The minimum number of bombs that must be dropped to ensure that there is at least 99% chances of completely destroying the target is. This is the question. Now, a bomb attack, there is 50% chances that a bomb will hit the target. So probability of success is a bomb hit the target. That is 50%. 50% means 50 by 100. That value should be 1 by 2. Then what about Q? Q is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here we need to find n value, least number of n. Next, there is what we need to find must be dropped into there is at least 99% chances complete destroy the target. Here, at least two independent hits are required. At least two means how to write the students? P of x greater than or equal to 2. There is at least 99% given. That means greater than or equal to 99%. That is, we can write 99 by 100. So P of x greater than or equal to 2 means I am going to write reverse method. P of 1 minus P of x less than 2. Less than 2 means we can take P of x is equal to 0 and P of x is equal to 1 also. So total probability minus P of x equal to 0 minus P of x is equal to 1 greater than or equal to 99 by 100. Now 1 minus P of x is equal to 0. NC 0 1 by 2 whole power n minus 0 into 1 by 2 whole power 0 minus NC1 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1 into 1 by 2 power 1 greater than or equal to 99 by 100. Now here students 1 minus NC0 is value is 1. Here we get 1 by 2 power n minus n by 2 power n is greater than or equal to 99 by 100. Students, here observe that left hand side, what is the LCM? 2 power n or not? LCM is 2 power n, or otherwise go to alternative method. What is that? 99 by 100 send left hand side greater than or equal. These two terms send right hand side and take LCM. We get 1 plus n. This is total 1 by 100 greater than or equal to 1 plus n divided by 2 power n. Take cross multiplication. 2 power n is greater than or equal to 100 plus 100 into 1 plus n. Now, when the condition is exist, so for suppose take n is equal to 10, that implies 2 power 10. 2 power 10 means we can write 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. That is 32 into 32. How much? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Just observe that 4, 12, 1024. These values should be 1024 is greater than or equal to 10 plus 1, 11. This is 1100. So this condition is failed. If n is equal to 11, observe that 2 power 11, that is 2048 is greater than or equal to. So 11 plus 1, 12. Here we get only 1200. Here is exist. So that means finally at what values of n the condition will be exist. N is equal to 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. These all values the condition will be exist, this condition. Okay. Now finally what they are asking, least value of n. Least value of n, that is equal to how much? 11. So 11 is the answer. This is numerical value type question. Okay. So this is easy question only, but a calculation little bit difficult. Okay. Right, students, till now who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. So I will make more videos. Okay, right. I'm going to another question. See this. This is also a random variable only. An unbiased coin is tossed 5 times. Suppose that a variable x is assigned the value k when k consecutive heads are obtained for k is equal to 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, x take the values minus 1. Then expected value of x. So first we need to form the table. So one is x is equal to xi. Next, probability of x is equal to xi. Here observe that 3 consecutive heads value should be 3. 4 consecutive heads value 4. 5 consecutive heads value 5. Other than that, random value is -1. So this table we need to find first. First, how many, what is the probability of getting 3 consecutive heads when we tossed 5 coins? When we tossed 5 times, coin we tossed 5 times. See, head, 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 tail, tail. Here observe that 3 consecutive heads are there or not. Next, tail, head, 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 tail. Next, tail, tail, head, head, head. Here they mentioned that 3 consecutive heads. What about tails? They didn't mention. So we can take like this also: head, tail, head, head, head. Here also 3 consecutive heads are there or not. Next, head, 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 tail, head. Okay, this total, how many chances are possible? 5 chances. How many coins tossed? 5 coins, that is 2 power 5. So here we get 5 power 5 divided by 32. Here probability is 5 by 32. Next, 4 heads consecutively we want. See, head, 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 tail. Next, tail, head, 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 head. How many chances here? Only two chances, but probable 2 means 2 by 2 power 5, that is 32. If 5 heads consecutively, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is possible only one time. Total favorable cases, possible cases 2 power 5. That means probability of getting 5 consecutive heads 1 by 32. Other than that means 0 consecutive heads, 1 consecutive head, 2 consecutive heads. There are 3 chances. So that is take time. That's why these value we can take small a, for suppose small a. This is we don't know. We need to find. But we know very well sum of probability distribution is equal to 1 or not. In this case, we get a value. See, 5 by 32 plus 2 by 32 plus 1 by 32 plus a, that is equal to 1. Then what is a, students? A is equal to 1 minus. Here take the LCM. 8 by 32. 8 by 32. That means 24 by 32. This is a value 24 by 32. So in place of a, write that a value is 24 by 32. So up to here understood now. Now I am going to find expected value of x. That means E of x. E of x means mean only. What is the mean here? 3 into 5 by 32 plus 4 into 2 by 32 plus 5 into 1 by 32 minus 1 into 24 by 32. Overall, observe this. 32 is the LCM. 5 3s are 15. 2 4s are 8 plus 5 minus 24 divided by 32. 28 minus 24, 4. So expected value we are getting 4 by 32. That means 1 by 8. This is the answer. 1 by 8 is the answer. Which option correct, students? Second option. Students, are you understood? How to take the random values already given. 3 consecutive heads means 3. 4 consecutive heads means 4. 5 consecutive heads means 5. Other than that, random value minus 1 given. And how to find the probabilities also? Observe. This is easy question only, but we need to identify probabilities. That is the difficult here. Okay, right. So I'm going to another question, students. See this question. Third question. If the probability of hitting a target by a shooter in any shoot is 1 by 3. That means here p value 1 by 3. Then what is q? 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. The minimum number of independent shots at the target required. So we need to find n value. They didn't give an n value. Okay. The probability of hitting the target at least once is greater than 5 by 6. The probability of hitting the target at least once is greater than 5 by 6. This is the condition. Now, p of x greater than or equal to 0 means write the reverse method. P of 1 minus p of x is equal to 0 greater than 5 by 6. So 1 minus 5 by 6 greater than p of x is equal to 0 means NC 0, 2 by 3 whole power n, 1 by 3 whole power 0. Now calculate this. How much we get? 1 minus 5 by 6 means 1 by 6 greater than 2 power n divided by 3 power n. Take cross multiplication. 3 power n is greater than 6 into 2 power n. Now here observe that least value 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am going to directly take that n is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. 3 power 5. 3 cube means 27. 81. This is 243. 243 greater than 2 power 5 means 32. 32 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 192. Yes. This condition is satisfied. And verify the 4 also. N is equal to 4. Because 5 is exist means 6 automatically will be exist. But 4, now we can. 3 power 4 means 81 is greater than 2 power 4. 2 2s are 4, 8, 16. 16, 6 are 96. Yes, this condition is not satisfied. So finally, what we can take n values? Those are 5, 6, 7, and so on. These values exist. Out of this, what is the least value? Least value of n, that is equal to 5. Which option correct, students? C, third option correct. This is also a very easy question, but do that. How to find n value, that is important by verification method. If you are taken 3, 4, 5, 6, all you are verified means it will take so much time. Okay, right. So I'm going to discuss that one more problem. This is a probability related, not random variables. So random variables probability, these all are in probability only. Okay. Now A and B, two independent events such that P of A is equal to 1 by 3, P of B is equal to 1 by 6. Then which of the following is true? So now I am going to verify that A bit, P of A by B. What is the formula? P of A intersection B divided by P of B. But A and B are independent events given. Numerator, what is the formula? P of A into P of B divided by P of B. P of B cancel, remaining what is there? P of A. That value should be 1 by 3. But see the question option here, what they are given? 2 by 3. It is not satisfied. It is not equal to 2 by 3. So this is not true. It is false. Verify the B option. Second option, P of A divided by B complement. By using conditional probability, apply that. A intersection B complement by P of B complement. P of A intersection B complement means P of A minus P of A minus P of A intersection B divided by 1 minus P of B. Okay. Now numerator P of A minus P of A into P of B divided by 1 minus P of B. Numerator take P of A common. Then what happens, students? 1 minus P of B. And denominator also 1 minus P of B is there. So this is going to cancel. Remaining what is there? P of A. What is P of A value? 1 by 3. But in the question also, option also B, 1 by 3 is there. So Both are same answer or not? So out of 4 options, which one is true? Only one option is true now. So we got B, correct answer. No need to verify that C and D. If you want, verify yourself. Okay, students? I think all of you understood now. Till now, who are not subscribed, please subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Thank you.